All right, I picked up these Christmas ornaments at Hobby Lobby, and I want to kind of put like a little antique look to them. They're a little too new for what my thought is. So what I'm gonna do is add a little rub and buff. So this is the antique gold rub and buff. All right, I have a little bit of the rub and buff on the paper. This is just the paper that the ornaments were wrapped in when I got them from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna try with a paintbrush. I don't know if this is gonna work the way I want it to work. And then I'm just gonna start brushing it on. Oh yes, it's giving me the look I want already. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little string here. I have an idea of what I can do differently with that, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that off, and then I'll probably do it with those ones as well. This one already come off. The ones for both of the horses came off prior to or as I took off the tag, so I'm just putting some of the rub and buff on and getting it everywhere. I'm going to take a paper towel too and kind of dampen it up or move it around a little bit and see if it gives me what I'm liking. I'm liking it. So I plan on doing the Christmas tree in the foyer just like I did last year. So that was the Ralph Lauren look, but I wanted a little bit more teddy bears on there, and then of course some rocking horses. I thought that would add to it a little bit more. I'm not like being particular how I'm putting it on. I'm just kind of going wherever. Oh, a little bit harder to get up in there. Kind of dulling that paint a little bit so it's not so bright. All right, he has turned out like I want him to, so just kind of reference between the two. And we're just gonna let him set, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of the rub and buff down here. Now we're gonna do the little rocking horse. Oh, this is looking so cute. The rocking horses have a little glitter to them, and this is covering up on them pretty easily. Definitely recommend using gloves if you're going to do something like this, because I'm getting it all over the gloves instead of my hands. All right, well, they're not the same color, but difference. All right, here is the white horse.